What's going on, guys? My name's Chad. I'm your tall tailor. No face cam today. Honestly, I'm looking kind of rough, so we're just gonna do a little voiceover. In this video, we're gonna be making some leather patchwork pants. So this commissioned from over on TikTok. I just got a DM asking if I can make some leather patchwork pants, and obviously I said yes. So I asked her for her measurements, and she gave me a description of what she wanted, and I got to work. Now, as you saw in that previous clip, I started with 2 pairs of jeans. I'm just going to stitch them together to give the pants a two-tone look, but right now I'm taking off the belt loops from 1 pair in order to reduce the waist. Boom, waistband off, belt loops off. These pants were pretty large in the waist too, actually. I think I ended up taking off 5 or so inches from the waist of the pants, and I added these adjusters on both sides just so you can sort of fine-tune the size of the waist. Alright, this is what the waist is looking like now with everything opened up. I just take out the iron it down flat, so that's a lot easier to cut and sew. Alright, the denim base is coming together, looking good so far. Now I'm just stitching the long pants and the short pants together, the 2 different tones of denim, again to get that two-toned light wash, dark wash denim look. I'm not gonna lie, like the brand of jeans I chose, I forget the name, it escapes me right now, but the 2 little stripes on the side actually look super good. I was trying to imitate that on the lower part of the pants, but I kind of thought that it cutting off right at that line looked a little bit better, so I just kind of left it. I just wanted to say that. Alright, so all the cutting, the sewing, the stitching is pretty much done, and this is what the pants look like so far. This is it without the leather, and honestly, I'm kind of liking it. Like, you can even rock it just like this, but we got to put the leather on. For the leather, we got green, more green, brown, tan, cream, gray, more gray, red, black, and purple. So I got all this leather from this place in downtown Toronto called the Leather and Sewing Supply Depot. Really great for just getting sewing supplies and leather. Obviously the name, it's in the name. When looking for leather, I was kind of looking for an earth tone vibe. So I was looking for reds, greens, browns, that kind of stuff. And I made sure all the leather I got matched that aesthetic. And now comes arguably the hardest part of this entire project, figuring out where I'm going to put the leather patches. So my thought process going into this was pretty much what looks the best. Honestly, that's kind of what I was going for. I also wanted to make sure that I got a little bit of every color on each leg. So right now I'm starting off with the right leg and I'm cutting the pieces into different shapes and sizes so I can find the best fit for the pants. I also wanted to make sure that all the leather scraps had rounded edges. The client gave me a lot of creative freedom when making this piece, and I just thought that looked the best. Alright, so after much deliberation, I finally figured out a leather placement that I thought looked the best, so I'm just going to go take this over to the sewing machine, and I also made sure to switch over to leather needles, because I'm pretty sure a regular needle will just break on this, so. We got the first leg down, and to stitch it on I use cord thread. That's the same thread that you'd use on a pair of jeans. That's simply because one, well, it's like a lot stronger, and also it fits the aesthetic of denim. That's what I used. For the second leg, I'm essentially doing the same thing except with different colors of leather. I figured out a pattern that looks the best in my eyes, and I'm just going to use that and stitch it onto the pants. I mean, I know we shouldn't pick favorites, but if I had to pick one, it'll probably be this pant leg. Honestly, drop down in the comment section which leg you like better, but in my opinion, it's the one with the red. I really like red as a color, so my bias is kind of showing. I just feel like that color works really well with the rest of the colors on the leg. With the leather sewn on, the only thing left to do is stitch up the inseam and add the hem of the pants, and we're pretty much done. So this is what the final product looks like. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below, and which leg was your favorite. I really like how everything came together, the denim, the leather, the colors, it all just really works cohesively. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at TheTallTailor. Let me know what you want me to make next, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Yeah, got me some. I ain't for yesterday. I'm a fuck sign.